Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't been here in like a minute, but I'm here now and I'm going to show you what I do for my nighttime skincare routine. Alright, so first I remove my makeup and I'm using the Beauty Treats makeup wipes. It works pretty okay. And with this I'm using the Bioderma micellar water. Now I really recommend the micellar water because it takes off majority of the makeup. So then, of course, you have to take off the makeup off your neck. Okay, so next I cleanse and I'm using the spin brush from Duvolle and it's the Radiance skincare system and it comes with 4 different heads. It comes with the facial cleanse brush, the exfoliation brush, the body brush and the pumice stone, and I have a code for 70% off. Like seriously, that's real good. And with this I use my Clean and Clear foaming facial cleanser. It's pretty okay. Alright, so I have the link for this in the description bar down below, so you can go and check it out. It's honestly pretty good. The cleansing brush is what I'm using right now and it's really soft. It takes off like the rest of the makeup that the wipes can take off. So after I wash my face, I tend to use a mask, and this is the vacuum cleaner by Dr. Brandt. If not, I will use like a bubble mask or like a clay mask, and then I use a sheet mask which is really hydrating. I got these from ShopmissA for like $1, so you can check that out too. So after I do a mask, I tend to tone. I run out of my toner, but I use Witchhazel, which balances the pH of your skin. After that, I moisturize, and I recently started to use shea butter, and I really like it. Like it removes your blemishes and the dark spots. It helps to remove that. If not, I will use a serum from Bioderma. And this is for sensitive skin. It's really hydrating and moisturizing. And I will use my Olay, my eye night mask. Night mask? A night cream, night gel. My eye night gel. Alright, so right now my skin is pretty dry and really sensitive. So I'm using some raw aloe vera gel, and I really recommend this because it heals your skin. Previously, like the week before, I did a full week of makeup. You can check out my Instagram to see those looks, and it really did like a number on my skin. My skin looks really terrible, but right now it looks pretty good, especially using that shea butter. I will probably do like an update in some weeks for you to see like the difference or something. So I let that dry and I go to bed, and that's pretty much it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to see my upcoming videos. Bye.